Now that you've seen the 3D Scan Academy V-Grips in action, I want to speak a little bit about the theory, why they are developed in the way they are. Being a former chainsaw developer, I'm a bit more sensitive to ergonomics like other people are. And maybe you know this shape from your academy workouts, yes, but fortunately the combo is not so heavy that you will need the grips because of that. Actually, in the first period of operating the combo, we had a very few complaints about the device itself, but we took them seriously and we had some experience in crashing the device and having it repaired, and the cost of it, of course. So we put all that experience together for the design of the V-Grip. Actually, I asked one of my students to design the V-Grip. I gave him a sketch how it should look like and he was adding his ideas, and this is the result, what you see. The V-Grips themselves, they have several purposes at the same time. Actually, they are, like I said, for the ergonomics. So if you're scanning a car or big objects, you are not having to be inclinating your hands very much. You are able just to grip it the way you want it. And the next thing is protection of the scanner. What you see that this is, let's say, a housing for the scanner at the same time. You can just mount the combo inside the V-Grips and there is some additional foam protection to absorb shocks, and you put it just inside. And to close it up, you can use the stripes. So you are able to close the stripes to help the scanner. Right now the combo is captured in the V-Grips and you can shake it and you will not break it. Yeah, hopefully. Nevertheless, you have a new possibility to lay the scanner down as well on the table. So you are able to put it front side on the table or leave it laying like this and you will never scratch it. And even if you will put it backside, it will never touch the scanner housing. For all of you that want to have the cables protected later on, we have an additional part to screw it on. And this will be as well the case. But I like it personally this way because it's still compact, it's easy and it's not very heavy. So you have the ergonomics, you have not so much more weight, and you have something to protect your scanner. And we are really sure that you will appreciate the possibilities of different ways to handle the scanner. And another thing is you will not touch anymore the lens meanwhile scanning, because people with very big hands and long fingers, they have the tendency to close the lens from the laser and not be scanning anymore. But not just in handheld scanning, you will appreciate the possibilities that this handle and grips are offering you. You have here that insert possibility that is a standard mount that you know from photography, and you will be able to mount some device that's clamping your mobile phone or any ring light if you're scanning in a dark environment. So this is possible. Another possibility is to mount the scanner with the V-handle on a tripod and use it for turntable scanning. So you will have here a possibility to put a thread inside it, a pork that is carrying the scanner on the tripod. You can do it in this way and this way, so you have three possibilities to mount the scanner on your tripod and still be able to scan on your desktop with a manual turntable, for example. So for all of you who are afraid that you could kill your cable connectors, there is an additional part that can be attached to the V-Grips, and this is very easy. So you just, in the case that you are scanning with your cables mount, want to protect the connectors, it's going to get this part attached from below like this. So you have here the possibilities to screw them together and you will have a full protection of your scanner. But for me, this is just an additional add-on that I will not use because I think it's already pretty safe like that. And for me, it's more compact. I can reach still a lot of places without making the scanner overall assembly too big. So for all of you that will buy a combo with us the next 2 months, they will receive this V-Grips free of charge. It will be attached in the sending of the scanner itself. For all of you that want the V-grip like it is to print it out themselves, they can download the data at our site in the shop, link down below. We are already working on the next revision of the V-grips, and believe me, they will be even cooler. If you have some good input for it, please put it in the comments down below, and we will name you if we will realize it, and thank you for your input. It is really cool to have the input from our customers, and we take it really seriously. So I hope you enjoy the handle, and I'm really curious to see what you realize in your grips.